Are you tired of the unhealthy nature of traditional frying, but still crave the crispy golden goodness of your favorite dishes? This Ramjoy Air Fryer 3.8 quarts could be the answer to your culinary prayers. Designed for 1 to 2 people, this air fryer combines convenience, versatility, and health benefits all in one sleek, compact design. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor, this air fryer is your new best kitchen companion. But does it live up to the hype? In this detailed review, we'll take a closer look at the Ramjoy Air Fryer, covering its design, functionality, performance, and more. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear idea of whether this small but mighty appliance deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. 1. Design and aesthetics. One of the first things you'll notice about the Ramjoy Air Fryer is its sleek and modern design. It comes in a compact size, making it an excellent fit for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. The black finish gives it a stylish and contemporary look that will seamlessly blend with any kitchen decor. Despite its compact size, the air fryer doesn't compromise on functionality. With a 3.8 quart capacity, it's perfectly sized for cooking meals for 1 to 2 people. Whether you're whipping up a quick dinner for yourself or preparing a side dish for a small gathering, the Ramjoy Air Fryer has you covered. The space-saving design is a major plus for apartment dwellers, college students, or anyone looking to maximize kitchen efficiency. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring digital touch controls that make operation a breeze. The intuitive design allows you to easily select your cooking function and customize your settings without any guesswork. Plus, the compact size means it's easy to store when not in use, making it an excellent choice for anyone with limited storage space. 2. 8-in-1 functionality. Versatility in one appliance. One of the standout features of the Ramjoy Air Fryer is its 8-in-1 functionality. This versatile appliance allows you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, preheat, shake, and more. With so many options at your fingertips, you'll find yourself using this air fryer for everything from crispy fries to perfectly roasted vegetables, succulent chicken wings, even baked goods. Here's a closer look at the key functions. Air fry. Enjoy crispy golden food with up to 90% less fat compared to traditional frying method, thanks to advanced air crisp technology. Roast. Perfect for roasting veggies, chicken, or even a small roast for dinner. Bake. Bake cakes, muffins, and other sweet treats with ease. Broil. Achieve that perfect golden finish on your dishes, whether it's cheese on top of a casserole or a crispy crust on fish. Preheat. Quickly get the air fryer to the optimal temperature before cooking, ensuring consistent results. Shake reminder. Customize and save time and temperature settings, and even add or remove the shake reminder for more personalized cooking. This level of versatility is ideal for anyone who likes to experiment in the kitchen without needing multiple appliances. The ability to customize and save settings further enhances the user experience, allowing you to perfect your recipes with ease. 3. Health benefits. Guilt-free cooking. Let's face it, one of the biggest challenges of eating healthier is giving up your favorite fried foods. That's where the Ramjoy Air Fryer shines. Using air crisp technology, this air fryer reduces fat content by up to 90% compared to traditional frying method. You'll still get that satisfying crunch and golden finish, but without the guilt that comes with deep frying. Whether you're cooking up some crispy chicken wings, fries, or onion rings, the Ramjoy Air Fryer delivers on flavor without compromising your health. The airflow system ensures that your food is evenly cooked, resulting in crispy exteriors, tender interiors every time. For health-conscious individuals, this air fryer is a game changer. You can indulge in your favorite foods without worrying about the negative health effects of excessive oil and fat. Plus, the Ramjoy Air Fryer's BPA-free, non-toxic components provide peace of mind your food is being cooked safely. 4. Performance and ease of use. The Ramjoy Air Fryer doesn't just look good, it performs exceptionally well too. 3.8 quart capacity, it's the perfect size for cooking meals for 1 to 2 people. Whether you're preparing a quick snack, lunch, or dinner, this air fryer can handle it all. The Nonstick, dishwasher-safe basket ensures that cleanup is a breeze. Simply toss the basket and crisper plate into the dishwasher, and you're done. This feature is a huge time saver for busy individuals who want to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying their meals. The digital touch controls are easy to use, allowing you to select your desired cooking function, set the temperature, and adjust the cooking time with precision. The Shake Reminder feature is another thoughtful addition, ensuring that your food is evenly cooked without needing constant attention. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, the RAMJOY Air Fryer makes meal prep quick, easy, and hassle-free. It's the kind of appliance that will quickly become a staple in your kitchen, simplifying your cooking routine and delivering consistently delicious results. 5. Space-saving design. Perfect for small kitchens. One of the biggest selling points of the RAMJOY Air Fryer is its compact design. Weighing just 5.67 pounds, this air fryer is incredibly easy to store and carry. It takes up minimal counter space, making it ideal for those with smaller kitchens, limited storage, or anyone who simply prefers a more minimalist setup. The compact size also makes the RAMJOY Air Fryer a great option for college students, RV owners, or anyone who lives in a smaller space. It's lightweight and portable, so you can easily move it around your kitchen or even take it with you on trips. 6. Free accessories. Added value for your purchase. When you purchase the RAMJOY Air Fryer, you're not just getting the appliance itself. This air fryer comes with a free accessories set that adds even more value to your purchase. Included in the set are 3.8 quart nonstick basket, crisper plate, oil sprayer, 50 pieces disposable air fryer liners. These accessories make your cooking experience even more convenient. The disposable air fryer liners help keep your basket clean, reducing the need for constant washing. The oil sprayer allows you to lightly coat your food with oil, ensuring even cooking and that perfect crispy texture. This thoughtful inclusion of accessories enhances the overall value of the RAMJOY Air Fryer, making it a well-rounded and practical investment for your kitchen. 7. Why you should choose the RAMJOY Air Fryer. With so many air fryers on the market, it can be difficult to choose the right one for your needs. Here's why the RAMJOY Air Fryer stands out as a top choice. Compact and space-saving. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs. Healthier cooking. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 90% less fat thanks to Air Crisp technology. Versatile 8-in-1 functionality. Cook a wide variety of meals with ease, from crispy fries to roasted veggies and baked goods. Easy cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe components make cleaning up a breeze. Free accessories. The included accessories add even more value to your purchase, making cooking and cleaning more convenient. Whether you're trying to eat healthier, save time in the kitchen, or simply enjoy delicious food with less hassle, the RAMJOY Air Fryer has something to offer. It's an affordable, practical, and stylish addition to any kitchen, making it a must-have appliance for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. Final thoughts. Is the RAMJOY Air Fryer worth it? The RAMJOY Air Fryer 3.8 Quarts is a fantastic option for anyone in need of a compact, versatile, and easy-to-use air fryer. Sleek design, 8-in-1 functionality, and health-focused features make it a standout choice for individuals or couples looking to enjoy guilt-free, delicious meals at home. The added value of the free accessories, along with the convenience of easy cleanup, only sweetens the deal. Whether you're new to air frying or a seasoned pro, the RAMJOY Air Fryer delivers consistently excellent results, all while saving you time and effort in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.